Okay guys, so I absolutely hate it when my fridge looks like this. It is so disorganized, things are falling over, and things are just placed anywhere they need to be. I have to clean this out because my silly self decided not to close one of these lids and it leaked, and all of this is sticky, and my door keeps sticking to my fridge when I go to open it. So I need to go ahead and I need to clean this, and you guys are going to be here with me because this is my life. I get to clean out a refrigerator. So here's a journey into my life, guys. Hope you like it. And that about sums it up for this fridge cleanup. If you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, head over to the subscribe button and make sure you guys hit it. Also hit the bell right next to it so you guys get notifications for my upcoming content. And we will see you guys in the next one.